Borong Camp. It's near Rabangla, South Sikkim. So you can see this is the road towards the homestay. So there are a few steps to reach the rooms, the dining. So it's winter, so you can see the marigold flower all over the place. This is the dining area, the kitchen. It's an open dining. There are a few seating area like this for guests. A couple of tents are there, and there are 3 cottages as of now. And this is the way toward the cottages. This is the cottage 1. There is a balcony in every cottage, and you can see the Snow Peak Mountains from this homestay. Though the amount of snow is not that much because the winter is yet to come. This is another sitting area. Yesterday night we had bonfire also. This is the cottage 2. And this is the cottage 3. So as of now 3 cottages are there, and in future there may be 3 more, but the opening date maybe will be next year. This is another sitting area.
So Borong Nature Camp is around 140 kilometers from Shiliguri or New Jalpaiguri railway station. So from there it takes around 6 hours to reach Borong Nature Camp, and the route is via Rabangla. So you can go to Namchi, then Rabangla to Borong. So Borong is around 45 minutes journey from Rabangla. So you can enjoy nature at its best here. If you are a nature lover, if you love peace, if you want to stay in a place where is no crowd, so then Borong Nature Camp is a place for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to come to Borong to stay in Borong Nature Camp, then please feel free to call in the provided number at the starting and at the end of this video. You can come to Borong anytime in a year, but the monsoon can be avoided due to sudden landslides. Winter is the best time to visit Borong, and the best time starts from October till end of March is the best time to visit Borong. Thank you for watching this video. We welcome everybody to come here and stay in Borong Nature Camp.